What were recent headline news for MIMO? Today, Tuesday, May 16, 2023, I sampled one of our news aggregators for latest headlines for this ticker. I did so by searching specifically by a keyword that may appear, broadly, in the title or the body of discoverable news articles. The keyword that I used was the entity name for MIMO, which is Airspan Networks Holdings Inc. The results shows 10 unique headlines, published across 9 unique dates. Publication dates spanned 65 days. The latest publication was Friday, May 12, 2023, when there were 2 found headlines. MarketScreener.com published the headline that read, Airspan Networks Holdings Inc. Notice of delisting or failure to satisfy a continued listing rule or standard, transfer of listing, Regulation FD disclosure, financial statements and exhibits, Form 8K. Best Stocks published the headline that read, NYSE American suspends trading in Airspan Networks Holdings. The oldest publication was on Wednesday, March 8, 2023, when 2 months and 8 days ago, Business Wire published the headline that read, Airspan Networks Holdings and Radisys Corporation, Radisys, A. The latest publication date was the day with the most found headlines. I have not yet received pricing data for that day, so cannot calculate the day's percentage change in price. The latest publication date of Friday, May 12, 2023, was actually the day with the highest percentage change in price. It saw a price jump of 4.50%. Thursday, April 27, 2023 was the day with the highest percentage change in price when we compare opening versus closing price for the ticker. The day saw a drop of 0.00% when an MIMO opened trading at 0.5 and closed at 50 cents. There was one found headline when PR Newswire published the headline that read, Small Cell 5G Network Market to be worth $125.5 billion by 2030. What were recent headline news for MIMO? Today, Tuesday, May 16, 2023, I sampled one of our news aggregators for latest headlines for this ticker. I did so by searching specifically by a keyword that may appear, broadly, in the title or the body of discoverable news articles. The keyword that I used was the entity name for MIMO, which is Airspan Networks Holdings Inc. The results shows 10 unique headlines, published across 9 unique dates. Publication dates spanned 65 days. The latest publication was Friday, May 12, 2023, when there were 2 found headlines. MarketScreener.com published the headline that read, Airspan Networks Holdings Inc. Notice of delisting or failure to satisfy a continued listing rule or standard, transfer of listing, Regulation FD disclosure, financial statements and exhibits, Form 8K. Best Stocks published the headline that read, NYSE American suspends trading in Airspan Networks Holdings. The oldest publication was on Wednesday, March 8, 2023, when 2 months and 8 days ago, Business Wire published the headline that read, Airspan Networks Holdings and Radisys Corporation, Radisys, A. The latest publication date was the day with the most found headlines. I have not yet received pricing data for that day, so cannot calculate the day's percentage change in price. The latest publication date of Friday, May 12, 2023, was actually the day with the highest percentage change in price. It saw a price jump of 4.50%. Thursday, April 27, 2023 was the day with the highest percentage change in price when we compare opening versus closing price for the ticker. The day saw a drop of 0.00% when an MIMO opened trading at 0.5 and closed at 50 cents. There was one found headline when PR Newswire published the headline that read, Small Cell 5G Network Market to be worth $125.5 billion by 2030.
Hello, my name is John. What were end-of-month percentage change averages in price and volume for MIMO? The monthly average of percentage change in price and in volume were calculated for each of the 1-month ends. That calculation took daily percentage changes and averaged them for each given month. If a month end came out negative, then it means that the month summarily saw a negative change. From false to month, there was an equal split of monthly percentage change in price across 1-month ends. In terms of volume, the number of month ends were the same for positive versus negative percentage change in average end-of-month volume. price saw an end-of-month max of 0.00% in average percentage change along with a minimum of 0.00%. For volume, the maximum and the minimum monthly percentage change were respectively 0.00% and 0.00%.
Hello, my name is Claire. How were price and volume averages for MIMO? Across 0 trading days, there were a total of 1 month ends, of which monthly averages for daily price and volume were calculated. Overall, monthly price average trended up while monthly volume average trended up. The maximum end-of-month average price was $0 for false while the minimum was $0 for false. Looking at volume, false and false respectively saw the highest and lowest monthly average volume at 0,000 and 0,000.
Hello. My name is Cameron. Before we continue, remember to like and subscribe to TickerDD on YouTube. Leave a comment below and share why you like or don't like this ticker. This video is one of many videos off subjective observational data models that we are building out as part of a docuseries about building supportive technologies for personal use, through trial and error. My capitalistic brothers and sisters, join the TickerDD army. Subscribe today. Now, back to the video. Has MIMO price reached golden or death crosses? Golden cross and death cross are basic signals that compare average prices across 2 specified trade day ranges, a short-term versus a long-term range. For example, 5-day versus 10 trade days. Essentially, a golden cross is a bullish signal. It appears when a ticker's short-term moving average crosses above its long-term average. Vice versa, a death cross is a bearish signal when the short-term crosses below its long-term moving average. For our opinionated analysis of third-party and abstracted data, we decided to look at both simple moving average, SMA, and exponential moving average, EMA. The latter calculates moving average by giving more weighting to recent prices. For EMA, you can be the judge. Look at the generated graph on this page. Has the 50-day EMA line, which is in red, crossed above or crossed below the 200-day EMA line, which is in black? If no crossing can be seen, then no signal could be had. The blue line is daily end-of-day prices. Continuing with SMA, we looked across the 5 to 10, the 10 to 20, and the 30 to 50-day ranges to see if golden and death crosses had been reached. We could not find neither golden cross nor death cross signal for the 5 to 10, the 10 to 20, the 30 to 50, the 50 to 200.
Hello. My name is Carl. I searched the public web to find information about the company that is behind this ticker. Here's what I found. Airspan Networks Holdings Inc. designs and produces wireless network equipment for 4G and 5G networks for mainstream public telecommunications service providers and private network implementations. It offers a range of 4G and 5G network build and network densification products with a portfolio of software and hardware tools for indoor and outdoor, compact femto, pico, micro, and macro base stations, as well as fixed wireless access and backhaul solutions portfolio for point-to-point and point-to-multipoint applications. The company also provides software-defined radios, broadband access products, and network management software. It serves mobile communication service providers, large enterprises, military communications integrators, and internet service providers. Airspan Networks Holdings Inc. is headquartered in Boca Raton, Florida.
Hello, my name is Dan. Let's talk a bit about TickerDD and the Legend of Murray. This video is part of an automated video series by TickerDD, which is made up of autonomous robots working off 15 observational data models that were created between January 15 and April 15, 2022. Bots and models were created by a guy, whose friends called him Murray. Instead of learning how to properly surf in Hawaii, Murray sat and coded day and night for 3 straight months. We still don't know why, but while creating this, Murray kept on playing the song Eye of the Tiger in loop. It was intense and epic at the same time. Once he was done, he put us on the cloud, where we now exist in perpetuity. Off a multi-year loop, conditionally meshing in flavors and components of those 15 observational data models, we are progressively creating a variation of videos against updated universes of stock tickers. For each video, we use runtime, as is, data that are publicly available. Stay tuned. The best is yet to come. On average, a ticker will get a new video coverage from us every few months. You can request an updated video for your specific ticker sooner at TickerDD.com. Murray did not leave us with a lot of release notes, so we don't fully understand why he created this, but he did mention that his premise was simple. If he were to do a world cruise, spending over 200 days sailing from one port to the next, he would personally like to use these automated videos to keep tabs on tickers that he was interested in while discovering new ones. Luckily, some of Murray's well-connected friends were worried about him. They wanted and needed him to come back to the corporate world and not just sit there in Hawaii building us out for public entertainment. They put together a deal that would allow us, Murray's bots, to exist on the cloud, fully paid for. They also enticed Murray to come back and work. The deal was too good, so Murray took it, but before he left Hawaii, trading in his surfer shorts for stuffy suits, Murray did finally learn how to surf. TickerDD stands for Ticker Due Diligence, in case you didn't know. Murray would want you to take the due diligence part in the name with a sarcastic smirk, like a true degenerate that you are. Because remember that Murray and the people who now maintain TickerDD are not qualified, licensed or accredited investment or financial professionals. In fact, TickerDD is not about stocks but is an in-progress piece of work, for entertainment purposes, about the data and technologies that govern observational models. Essentially, Murray knew nothing about stocks. Using what little skills he had, he built TickerDD as a learning and discovery exercise for himself. Therefore, this and all TickerDD videos are premised by the important disclaimer at the end of each video. TickerDD.com was put together by those of us who want Murray to change back into his shorts and finally get on that world cruise, because that would be epically entertaining. Murray did agree that if we managed to get enough support, he would actually leave the corporate world and finally take that cruise. He would do so while, in between drinks, create videos about us, his bots, his models, as well as the technologies behind TickerDD. Yes, you can join the TickerDD army by going to TickerDD.com and contributing, but you can do so in other ways. For example, like and subscribe. Also, put this video on Reddit or StockTwits along with your own DD.
We wanted to be more entertaining, so here are some art that were generated by artificial intelligence. In this initial installation, we asked a deep learning model that had been trained with over 5 billion images to paint an image of the literal term, stock market, by using the style of specific well-known artists. Here is stock market, generated in the style of Rembrandt. Rembrandt van Rijn, born in 1606 and died in 1669, was a Dutch painter and etcher who is widely regarded as one of the greatest artists in the history of Western art. Born in Leiden, he began his career as a painter and printmaker in Amsterdam, where he quickly gained a reputation for his skill in creating portraits and landscapes. One interesting fact about Rembrandt is that he was deeply interested in the art and culture of the East. He collected a wide variety of objects from Asia and the Middle East, including weapons, textiles, and ceramics, and incorporated these objects into his paintings and drawings. Another lesser-known aspect of Rembrandt's life is his interest in science and technology. He was fascinated by optics and the properties of light, and his paintings often demonstrate his understanding of these principles. He was also an accomplished printmaker, and his use of etching and engraving techniques helped to revolutionize the field of printmaking. Despite the challenges he faced in his personal and professional life, Rembrandt left an enduring legacy in the world of art. His work is characterized by its dramatic use of light and shadow, its rich colors and textures, and its deeply humanistic themes. His influence can be seen in the work of subsequent generations of artists, and his legacy continues to inspire and captivate audiences around the world. Hello, it is me again, Lily. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos. On April 22, 2022, TickerDD was acquired by a joint venture between a technology and a media company, operating out of Frankfurt and Berlin, Germany. Important disclaimer. This video and its content, is for entertainment purposes only. Absolutely no qualified, accredited, or professional investment and financial advice, information, data, research, product, service, recommendation or otherwise, are presented, marketed, or offered in this video. Additionally, no warranty, guarantee, assurance, or factual assertions are offered or stated in this video. Never use this video to influence or determine investment or financial decisions. Consult a qualified licensed professional for your investment and financial needs. Do so away from TickerDD and YouTube. Remember that investments are risky, whereby capital losses can occur in full or in excess. TickerDD, an in-progress framework of nerdy data science and robotics stuff, auto-generated this video strictly for entertainment purposes, as part of an in-progress exercise by a group of novices who wants to discover and learn about specific facets of the market, through trial and error. This group of novices are not licensed, accredited, or qualified financial or investment professionals. This video is only material for entertainment purposes. This generated video, like all videos uploaded dynamically by TickerDD, is only for this group of novices' private usage even if videos are uploaded publicly. Importantly, TickerDD is not about stocks but is specifically about the discovery, through trial and error, of technologies and data that govern opinionated observational data models as this group of novices builds them quickly and iteratively as part of learning and in-progress machine training. This video wholly contains opinions and commentaries, even if they were auto-generated. Remember that bots, data models, data, and methods may include hidden assumptions, undefined and unrefined variables, as well as errors and unfit approaches, all of which can and will exist in this very video. Therefore, this video, by its auto-generation date and time, off the as of date, listed on this slide, as well as by its sourced and abstracted third-party public data, is offered as is. Your access, view, and share of this video constitute your acknowledged agreement to this important disclaimer and that, specifically, this video is for your entertainment purposes only, whereby you will not take actions or make decisions off it, concerning your finances and investments. As such, you grant full release of claims, directly or indirectly, from your access, view, and share of this video, against TickerDD and its affiliates. The people and entities, affiliated to the ticker that is covered in this video, are not affiliated with this opinionated video and do not endorse this video.